Okay, this is a helicopter, puts out forest fires. It went and picked up the water. Here we go. See, it's gonna put the fire out. Here it comes around. It's gonna come around and it's gonna drop all the water on this fire right here. See the fire? All the smoke? There's the helicopter. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, he's gonna come all the way down here. Here he comes. Look, kids. Cool. Watch this. Yay! Woo! Got it all! Look at that! Woohoo! Got the fire out! Nothing but smoke! It'll come around again. Look, he's getting the water. Oh, well, I guess it's done.